Robotics class is I really like it because the people you work with are like really understanding, and they always try to push you to do your very best, and they try to help you with your confidence. They try to tell you, you can do this, you just need to try. They make it to where it's easy for you to do stuff, but not too easy that it's not a challenge. Overall, it's just really fun. The most thing I like about it is the teachers. You don't need to care about what people tell you or try to put you down. All you need to do is just try. I find it really fun when you're creating your own codes because I like to create new things. And I feel like if I work in tech when I'm older, I could help change the world and bring it to its fullest.